Apollo and Saturn V exhibitions are located in other building. It's about 5 minutes ride on the bus. This bus tour is included in the ticket price. On the bus you would pass the vehicle assembly building, a place where rockets are actually built. You can also see start points of the rockets which are prepared to launch. Actually there is a huge tribune around, so you could drive in here and just watch, as on the schedule, time to time, usually once or twice per month, something is actually launched here. Behind every rocket launch there is a risk that the rocket can fall, so 5-10 kilometers around the starting point is a danger zone. That's the reason why the Space Center is located on the coast and so far from all populated areas. It's just many kilometers of national park around. This is a place where they assemble rockets. From here it's hard to estimate how huge it is. I'm entering to Apollo and Saturn V exhibitions. They start with one more epic movie. I would be glad to have a chance just to skip it, but in the most cases here it's not an option. And from that movie to another one, you can see it in front of the copy of the control center. A huge exhibition dedicated to all aspects of Apollo and Saturn missions. And the real rocket is hanging here. Look how huge it is. A space pen was a great invention, as normal pen would not work without gravity. So many US genius minds with lots of efforts were able to create this pen. Russians just use pencil instead. Here you can experiment to start a rocket with different parameters. Nice moon panorama. This is a real one which was used to bring astronauts to the starting point. Rocket interiors are very functional and not cozy at all. Lunar buggy copy, shiny and very expensive. Real landing module, very impressive. Outer space costume is not that simple, and it has passed an evolution before it got to the state how we see it nowadays. Another movie and show 2-in-1. This lunar module getting down looks more like a theater play for kids. I'm getting back to see the rest of exhibitions. Space Shuttle engines model. Looks huge. The real Atlantis shuttle is hanging here. It's huge. You can see here some manipulation arm and pilot's cabin model. Very important invention is a space toilet. One more engine model. getting down to the ground floor, and there is also a sledge for kids. In general, this museum is a nice activity for the whole family. Another space toilet. All kinds of devices used in the shuttle program are shown here. Evolution of shuttles. This exhibition is dedicated to astronauts who died in the shuttle crash. You can even see some pieces of the shuttle. This event ended the whole era in the US space program. This exhibition is dedicated to the Mars mission. Models of robots which are used for Mars exploration. Another pavilion had some 5D cinemas, not very interesting, but items around here are great. Especially one more rocket hanging on the ceiling. That was it. I did not visit some movies, but I have seen all I planned and it totally worth it. Towards Key West. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you the next time.